Hey guys, Aussie Steve here from Home Buyer Louisiana. We buy houses in any condition in Louisiana. I'm here at a house we closed on yesterday. We're in New Orleans East. So the owner of this property reached out. They lived here about 10 years and they'd already purchased another property in Slidell. So they were getting ready to move and they wanted to sell this one fast. They couldn't really afford to have two notes, so wanted to get this one paid off. Also, they didn't really, have the ability or time or inclination to clean up the house, get it prepared for a listing and, get a realtor to get homeowners to the property. They just didn't have time for that and wanted to sell for cash in as-is condition, and we were able to come up with a price that worked for them, and so we did that. We bought it for cash in as-is condition. So it's actually in pretty good condition. For any of you that sort of seen some of the houses we buy, they can be pretty rough. So by my standards, this one's really nice, but it definitely has some issues. The kitchen's really good, as you can see, but they left behind a bunch of things. We're missing some of the, cabinets, and there's some holes in the wall, old carpet, just stuff that, you'd want to clean up before listing with a realtor, selling to a homeowner. Again, they didn't want to move this stuff, so, we're closed, so everything here is being left behind, and, we'll donate what we can to charity and get rid of the rest as part of our rehab, so, yeah, just a bit rough and a bit patchy. Nothing too crazy that we can't deal with. It's a camelback property, so got the upstairs as well. Again, for ease of moving. I mean, moving's not fun. So, what people really enjoy when they sell a house to us is that they can leave like this. This is fine, getting the house totally clean, getting rid of everything, patching up holes in the wall, fixing things, can be a hassle. And for some people that prefer to sell it like this and move on, which is what we did in this case. So look, yeah, so there's the house. So yeah, look, definitely it's a bit rough, and yes, it's not ready for a homeowner to buy through a realtor, but as far as we go, I mean, this isn't too bad at all. We're more than capable to have this cleaned out, do some repairs, get it ready. In this case, we're going to actually turn it into a rental. So we do love rentals. We do flip properties as well, but wherever we can, we do like holding rentals. So we like this area and the house. So our plan is to get in, clear it out first, patch up all the things. We're going to have to paint, fix some of the flooring, make some repairs, and then put it back on the market for a renter so a family can come in and enjoy the property. And that's really what we do. So guys, if you have a house you want to sell, maybe something like this where it's just you don't want to clean it up and it's got a few issues and you just want to sell it fast for cash, reach out to us. We're happy to help. It can be worse than this. It can be better than this too. But I'll be honest, if your house is really beautiful and ready for a homeowner, you best list with a realtor. That's definitely the best option in those cases. We're a really good option if you don't want to clean it up. You want to move really fast. We closed on this one. We were ready to close. They were in a hurry, so they wanted to close fast. So we were ready after 1 week. 1 week we were ready to close. They did ask for a few more days because they weren't ready to have all their stuff that they wanted out of the house. So I think we closed in about 11 days, but we were ready in 7 because they wanted to move fast, and that was their goal because they had the other house and they're in. So. So we can definitely, that's where we're a good buy. If you just need to move fast, as is, cash, don't worry about inspections, bank approvals, appraisals, all of that stuff, we're a good buyer. We're also a really good buyer when the house needs a bunch of repairs, this just needs a lot of work, and that's fine because we buy as is. We don't need bank financing approved, and we'll get in and fix those issues. So look, if you have a house like that, by all means, reach out to us, homebuyerlouisiana.com. Check out our website, and you can see a lot of information about selling your house in as-is condition. Different options you have. There are different ways to sell your house that work for different people. So we have a fair amount of information on our website about that. So check it out. Give us a call if you like, or send an inquiry through our website. We'll be happy to chat about your property. Thanks, guys. Appreciate you.